YouTube, it's Sean, and I wanted to show you guys what I do to make small engine battery terminals. Pretty simple. You get yourself a piece of copper tubing, and you can buy a foot of this for a couple bucks. Alright, and you get the size of tubing for your wire. Alright, you squeeze one end, you drill a hole in it for the size of the bolt you got. The other end, you solder it on, and then you bean it with a hammer. Done. These are $2 a piece at the hardware store, roughly. So there you go. Quick tip. Homemade small engine battery terminals the easy way. Alright. Take care. Bye-bye.